Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Nur Fauzia from UIN Syarif Hidayatullah, the Graduate School of Islamic Studies, Jakarta, Indonesia. I will present my paper discuss Islamic modernism and the development of Islamic intellectualism. The aim is to determine the conversion
Ladies
of
and
Islamic
gentlemen, my
modernism
name is Nur Fauzia
and
from
the
UIN Syarif
development of
Hidayatullah, the
Islamic
Graduate School
intellectualism
of Islamic
of
Studies,
Jamaluddin
Jakarta,
Al-Afghani
Indonesia.
Muhammad
I
Abdul
will
and Muhammad
present my
Rashid
paper
Ridho.
Introduction, the
This
Golden Age,
gives
Decline,
Islamic
and
modernism
Revival of
and
Islamic
the
Reform
development of
have
Islamic
faced, of
intellectualism.
course. There
The
are many
aim is
challenges
to determine
that affect
the
them. The
conversion
main
of
factor
Islamic
causing the
modernism
decline of Muslim
and the development of
occurred
Islamic
because very well
intellectualism
far from
of
the
Jamaluddin
teaching of
Al-Afghani
Islam as
Muhammad
the
Abdul
main
and
source,
Muhammad Rashid Ridho.
namely the Word of Allah, namely the
Introduction, the Golden
Al-Quran
Age,
and the Hadith of
decline
the Prophet.
and revival
The
of Islamic
existence of school
reform
and
have faced,
sectarianism
of course.
result in
There are
the
many
division of
challenges
Muslims. In addition,
that
the West
affect
was
them. The main
dominating the
factor
politics
causing the
of
decline of
fighting
Muslim
occurred because very
against
well
each
far from
other
the
were
teaching of Islam
rampant and
as the
the
main source,
excessive
namely the Word
fanaticism
of Allah,
toward the
namely
school
the
was getting
Al-Quran and the
stronger.
Hadith of the Prophet.
The
The
development of
existence
science
of school and sectarianism result in the division of Muslims. In
due
addition,
to the
the West was
construction of Muslim
dominating the
thinking.
politics
This
of
is a
fighting
factor that caused the decline
against
of
each
Muslim
other were
meanwhile
rampant and the
philosophy, science, and
excessive
technology and developing
fanaticism toward
and
the school was
advancing
getting
rapidly
stronger.
in Western countries. The
Thus,
development
the
of
West
science and
can rule the world,
this
including the Islamic world.
decreasing
The Islamic
due
world before
to
the
the
19th
construction of
century
Muslim thinking.
experienced
This is a
a period
factor
of
that caused
colonization and
the
decline. The
decline of
beginning of
Muslim
the 19th century
meanwhile philosophy, science,
was
and
the
technology
beginning
and
of
developing and
renewal of the
advancing
revival
rapidly
of
in Western
rational
countries.
thinking of
Thus, the West
Muslim
at
can
that
rule the world,
time
including the Islamic
at that
world.
time, the
The
Islamic
Islamic
world
world before
and
the
the modern
19th
West
century experienced
insighted
a period of
Muslims are
colonization
starting to
and decline. The beginning
realize
of the
that
19th
by thinking
century
rationally,
was
Islamic
the
teaching that
beginning of
have long been
renewal of the revival of
abandoned
rational
will be
thinking
easily
of
understood
Muslim
at that
again.
time. Thus, at
The
that
thought
time,
of
the Islamic
understanding
world
Islamic
and
teaching
the
will
modern
again
West
become a new spirit for the progress and
insighted
development of the Islamic
Muslims
world
are
in
starting
the
to
future.
realize that by
Islamic
thinking
modernism.
rationally,
The term modernization
Islamic
in
teaching that
Islamic
have long
terminology
been
is called renewal
abandoned
and
will
improvement.
be easily
Renewal and
understood
improvement have the same
again.
essence, namely reviewing
Thus,
and
the thought of
reflecting on
understanding Islamic teaching
interpreting
will again become a new
interpreting
spirit
new
for the progress
contextual
and development of the
understanding
Islamic world
of the
in the
situation and
future.
challenges of the times.
Islamic modernism. The
Modernism is
term
the process of
modernization in Islamic
entering
terminology is
and
called
foreign
renewal
culture
and
into
renewal and
society
improvement have the same
society.
essence,
Therefore,
namely
modernism cannot
reviewing and
be
reflecting
parted
on
from globalization, which has implication for
interpreting
change
new
in the
contextual
social and
understanding
intellectual order
of
of
the
the situation
situation
and
is an
challenges of the times.
inevitable.
Modernism is the process
Secularization
of
issues.
entering and
Globalization and
foreign
secularization
culture into
seem to be a
society.
unity that
society.
occurs
Therefore,
in the West
modernism
and
cannot
East, which cannot be
parted
sparred.
from globalization,
Islamic
which has
modernism
implication
occurred
for
in
change in the
the
social and
early
intellectual
19th
order.
century. The
Globalization
initial
is
phase
an
of the Reformation of
inevitable
Muslims.
secularization issue.
Muslim began to
Globalization and
rise and develop
secularization
through the
seem
faith of
to
ijtihad.
seem
The
to
West is
be a
getting ahead and
unity
Muslims are
that
falling
occurs
culture
in the
behind.
West and
But
East, which cannot be
in
sparred.
terms of philosophy,
Islamic
science, and
modernism
technology,
occurred in
at that
the
time,
early
different
19th
response
century. The
emerged
initial
more.
phase of the
Muslim
Reformation of
responded
Muslims on their Islamic style
Muslim began to
uh,
rise and develop through the faith of
First
ijtihad.
respond,
The West is
Muslims must
getting ahead and Muslims
acknowledge
are
their
falling culture behind. But
don't
in
turn
terms of philosophy, science, and
and
technology,
backwardness
at that
from
time, different
Western
response
countries and
emerged
must
more.
rise from adversity by
Muslim
reforming by
responded
following Western
on their
countries.
Islamic
The
style.
second response is
Uh,
to refuse and
First
let
respond,
whatever
Muslim
comes
must
from the West
acknowledge
without
their
being ignored. The
don't
second
turn
response believes
and
that Muslims must
backwardness
turn to the
from
mind
Western countries and
Al-Quran
must
and Hadith
rise
because
from
Islam is the best,
adversity by reforming,
not by following
Western countries.
The second response is to
The most
refuse and
important
left whatever comes
most
from the
important
West
goal of
without being
modernization
ignored.
in line with
The
the
second
teaching of
response
Islam
is
believes
that
Muslim must return to the
rationalization,
main
whatever
source,
resource, and
namely
don't
the
Al-Quran and Hadith because
requires
Islam is the best, not
consideration
by
of
following
reason.
Western countries.
With rationalization,
Muslim
the
will
most
be
important
encouraged to be critical
the most
in dealing
important
with
goal of
problem and live
modernization
taqlid,
in
which
line with
is
the teaching of
strictly
Islam is rationalization,
in
whatever
Islam by
is done
reforming.
and done
Thus, basically,
requires
modernization does not
consideration
contradict
of
and
reason.
basic teaching of Islam.
With
However,
rationalization,
modernization is a balance
Muslim
between
will be
action
encouraged
and be critical in
listen in
dealing
doing
with problem and live
anything
taqlid,
to make
which
change
is
that are
strictly
good.
prohibit
Modern groups
prohibit in
argue
Islam by
that
reforming.
Muslim
Thus,
today
basically,
need to make
modernization does not
interpretation of Islamic
contradict and
teaching.
basic teaching
Muslim
of
must
Islam.
make change to
However,
open the gates
modernization is
of
a balance
ijtihad and
between
avoid
action
taqlid.
and,
In other words,
reason in doing
modernism
anything to
has
make change
an
that are
open
considered good.
attitude.
In
Modern groups
understanding the search of teachings and beliefs
argue that Muslim
there is
today
still room for
need to
Muslims
make
to carry out
interpretation of
ijtihad
Islamic
and
teaching.
live
Muslim must make
blind
change to
taqlid,
open
which
the
is
gates of ijtihad and avoid taqlid.
prohibit by
In
religion.
other words,
Modernism has
an
development of
open
Islamic
attitude
intellectualism
in understanding the search
Islamic
of
intellectual
teachings and beliefs
development that there
is
is still room
divided
for Muslims to carry out
into
ijtihad
three
and live
areas.
blind taqlid, which
The
is
three of them have different
prohibited by
style,
religion, ranging from classical
development of
medieval
Islamic
and modern
intellectualism.
times. The
Islamic
classical era
intellectual
began
development
at the time
is
of the
divided
Prophet, where the development
three
of Islamic intellectual was
areas.
practiced by
The
teaching
three
and
of them
education
have
with
different style,
carried out until
ranging
using the
from
method of
classical,
writing and memorizing.
medieval, and
In
modern
medieval
times.
in
The
Islamic
classical era
began to develop
at the
compared
time
to
of the
classical
Prophet,
times, where the development of Islamic intellectual was practiced by teaching and education with through stream of theology, Sufism, and school
until
of
using the
thought.
method of
Writing and memorizing. In
medieval times,
Islamic intellectuals
this
began to develop
was the
compared to
peak
classical times.
period of Islamic
Institutionals
Furthermore,
began to emerge
furthermore,
through stream of theology,
in
Sufism,
modern
and
times,
school of
it is
thought.
in
Struggle from
medieval
Islamic intellectual tradition.
in medieval times,
Renewal of
this
thought in understanding
was
Islam
the
is
peak
put forward. Modern times
period of
try
Islamic
to
intellectual
eradicate
Furthermore,
superstition, khurafat, and
furthermore,
heresy
in modern
Muslims. Islamic
times,
teachings
it is
were
struggle
to the
from
Al-Quran and
Islamic
Hadith rational
intellectual
thinking
tradition.
awareness by reforming
Renewal of
performing
thought
in
in
understanding Islam
interpretation
is
of
put forward.
Islamic
Modern
teaching
times
is
try
enforced.
to eradicate
The intellectual development of
superstition,
Islam
khurafat,
returned
and
Islam as a
heresy
religion that gives
trust
take
and
Muslims
answering problem
Islamic
by promoting
teachings,
thought, where
This,
return to the Al-Quran
this
and
is
Hadith
due
rational
to the
thinking
fact
awareness
that
by
the
reforming
performing
ijtihad
era are
interpretation of
constantly
Islamic teaching is
evolving
and
force.
becoming increasingly
The
complex.
intellectual development of
So
Islam
it
requires
requires
Islam as
solving
a
problems
religion that
there
gives
are difficult to
trust
find.
and answering problem by
Therefore,
promoting
ijtihad is
health.
needed
This,
as a way
this
of
is
renewal.
due to the fact that the problem
of
figures of
era
Islamic
are
modernization,
evolving
modern
and
Islamic group
becoming
are religious
increasingly complex.
that carry
So it
out
requires solving problems
reform
that are
by
difficult to find.
adopting
Therefore,
ideas from
ijtihad is
modern
needed
thinkers such
as
as
a way
Jamaluddin
of
Al-Afghani,
renewal.
Muhammad Abduh, and Rashid Ridho.
Al-Afghani and Abdul made reforms
of Islamic
and left blind
modernization.
taqlid to the mazhab. Modern Islamic group are religious the importance of ijtihad and carry out reform by
Muslim community.
modernist Muslim try to improve the progress of Muslim civilization by taking
Muhammad Abdul and Rashid Ridho.
Al-Afghani and Abdul made reform and left blind
to
taqlid to
understanding
the
Islam
mazhab.
teaching.
Creates and for this they care for
the importance of ijtihad
invitation
and
to refer to the Quran and
change
Hadith, which
in
are
Muslim
the main
community.
source. Modernist Muslim try to improve the progress of Muslim civilization by reinterpretation of Islamic teachings.
Taking a
The
scientific
renewal of
approach
Islam start with Muhammad Abdul
understanding
meeting
Islam
with Jamaluddin
teaching.
Al-Afghani. Philosophy and
For this,
socio-political
they care
science
for
are being
an
expanded. Invitation to
religious
refer to the
practice must
Quran
be
and
seen
Hadith,
and
which are the main source,
examined
and
which
advocate require
a
change
flexible
and which cannot be
sustainable
changed. Reinterpretation
was
of
made
Islamic
by
teachings.
convincing
The renewal
the
of
Muslims
Islam
not
start with
to
Muhammad
give
Abdul
up.
meeting with Jamaluddin Al-Afghani.
To
Philosophy
remain
and
strong and not
socio-political
waver
science are being
in this
expanded.
sphere and
this
religious
religious
practice
practice must be seen
However,
and
it continues to
examined
make
which
updates in
one
our field.
require change and
Said
which
Jamaluddin
cannot be
Al-Afghani was
changed.
a reformist
This change was
figure
made
who was
convincing
very
the Muslims
focused and
not
concerned to give
up.
up the condition of the Muslim at the
to
time.
remain strong
At
and
the
not
time,
waver
he
in this field
tried
and this
his best
destruction.
to revive Muslim
However,
and carry out
it
reforms
continues to
employing
make
ijtihad.
updates in
In
our
the Islamic
field.
world,
Said Jamaluddin
Said Jamaluddin
Al-Afghani
Al-Afghani
was
was
a reformist
mujaddid
figure
and
who was
mujtahid who was
one
very
of the reformers
focused
who
and
changed
concerned
the mindset
about the
of
condition
Muslim.
of the Muslim at the time.
Jamaluddin Al-Afghani
At that time,
reformation was
he
based on
tried
the belief
his
that
best
Islamic
to
teachings were
revive Muslim and carry out
compatible
reforms employing
with all
ijtihad.
nations.
In the Islamic
Ages,
world,
Said
and
Jamaluddin Al-Afghani is known as
circumstances,
mujaddid
therefore,
and mujtahid.
if it is
One of the
that
reformers
Islamic
who changed
teachings
the
are
mindset of Muslim. Jamaluddin Al-Afghani
dividing and not
reformation
be
was
problem
based
faced
on the belief
due to
that Islamic teachings were
changing times
compatible with all nations.
It can be adjusted with a new way of
Therefore,
interpretation through
if
ijtihad
it
as
is
written in the
that
Al-Quran and
Islamic
Hadith.
teachings
Jamaluddin
are
Al-Afghani also sought with dividing and not
honest
be problem
attitude
faced
due to
changing times,
appreciating
the values of
It
intellectualism
can be
that came from
adjusted
the West,
with a new
especially
way
in the field of philosophy,
interpretation
science, and
through
technology.
ijtihad as written
He
in the
advised
Al-Quran and
Muslims to
Hadith.
develop reason and
Jamaluddin
technology
Al-Afghani also
as has been adopted by Western nations.
his honest
Jamaluddin
attitude
Al-Afghani
in
believed that mastering science, technology, and cultivating the scientific tradition of the intellectualism that came from the West, especially in the field of philosophy, science, and technology. He advised Muslims to develop reason and technology as has been adopted by Western nations. Jamaluddin Al-Afghani believed that mastering science, technology, and cultivating the scientific tradition and the condition of Muslim. Education is very influential in the progressing of Islam, awakening of Muslim
Muhammad
in the field
Abdul
of science.
it more
Rashid Ridho
focused on
improving the faith
renewal
and
of his
future of the Egyptian
which
people.
his thinking
is more oriented to
Rashid
the
Ridho
aspect
of
of education and the condition
on
of
the field of education is very
However,
Rashid Ridho was less familiar with the
tradition of awakening of Muslim in the field of
Afghani
science. Rashid
and
Ridho
Abdul.
developed
Wassalamualaikum
his thought
warahmatullahi
which
wabarakatuh.
he got from Muhammad Abdul. Rashid Ridho thinking about renewal is more focused on the field of education. However, Rashid Ridho was less familiar with the tradition of Western thought than Afghani and Abdul. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.